What's going on? You know, it's your boy Little T. Back full effect. You already know how I'm. Okay, man. Hey, man. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. So we got Key Glock. He got something called Big Money. I like it. I'm sorry, yo, Cam Newton got me saying that shit. That big money. I like it.
Mr. Glock, Mr. Glock, Mr. Glock. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Money on my mind, nigga. What the fuck you thought? Hopping out that Maybach truck, my pockets.
I'm not even gonna hold y'all, bro. This is my first time seeing what Key Glock actually looks like, bro. I don't even think I probably do, but I just probably got to listen. But this is my first time I seeing what he look like. I don't listen to Key Glock at all. This is like my first time even listening to you, I
I'm
think.
married to the money, I had to put these hoes on pause. Yeah, big money, nigga. This how big money talk.
Yeah.
Big money, nigga. This how big money walk.
Yeah.
Big knots, nigga. You know what I got.
Damn.
I'ma get guap, nigga, till my heart stop.
Yeah.
They put me in a box. I'm a nigga with a lot. Heard you niggas with the cops. I just sit back watching plots.
Yeah.
Figures on the watch. Shit, I could've bought a car. Bitch,
Yeah.
my chain costs a truck. Spend it like I don't get no food.
Nope.
You always up to something. Bitch, I'm having money, yeah. 20, 50, hundreds. I be thumbing.
Yeah.
Rex, Paul Bunyan, killing tracks, Paul Girl, click, clack, they all skirt. No cap, these rappers nerds. I'm sipping on some syrup.
Oh, I'm finding a Waffle House.
Higher than a bird. I park my Benz right on the curb. I ain't got a flirt. I feed her dick until she burp. Yeah,
Damn.
She see my pinky.
Don't said I feel her dick until she burp. It's crazy.
I ain't got a flirt. I feed her dick until she burp. Yeah, she see my pinky ring and she damn near squirt. Yeah, big money nigga, see you little niggas hurt. Yeah, big money nigga, this shit got me going berserk. Hey, I just fucked this bitch so good, she had thought
Damn.
I popped a perk. I put a nigga
She a
in
baddie.
the hood and turn a nigga to some merch. Yeah, I got too much dough. Bitches coming out their clothes. I do a show, count my dough. Might fuck a bitch and hit the road. White rose, yellow gold, diamonds, top Rosetta Stone, 3-tone, money long. Yeah, you know what's going on. Big money, nigga, this how big money talk. Yeah, big money, nigga, this how big money walk. Yeah, big knots, nigga, you know what I got. Yeah, I'ma get guap, nigga, till my heart stop. Yeah, put me in a box. I'm a nigga with a lot. Heard you niggas with the cops. I just sit back watching plot. 6 figures on a watch. Shit, I could've bought a car. Bitch, my chain costs a truck. Spend it like I don't get no fuck.
No fraud out the strip club is crazy. Big ass. It was okay. It was okay. Type shit. Yeah, it was okay. It was okay. I wouldn't personally download it or listen to it, but yeah, man. Like I said, it's okay. If I got rated 1 out of 10, this is the best one. If I rated 1 out of 10, on my rate scale, it's probably like a 6 out of 10 type shit. But that's just me personally. If you don't like it, it is what it is, man. But yeah, man, that's gonna do it for the video. Let me see your comments below. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Hope I enjoyed the vibe, man. Peace.